Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to leave a Facebook group. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, tap the Facebook profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. To leave a group, we need to open the Groups option. From the top, open the Your Groups section. Here, you can see all your groups and a list of all the Facebook groups you've joined. Scroll through the list of groups and find the one you want to leave. Once you've found it, tap on the group name to open it. Now, in the top right corner, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, and a sidebar will open up on the screen. Select the 3 dots next to the bell icon. A small menu will appear with additional options. In the menu, you'll see an option to Leave Group. If you want to leave the group, tap on this option. A confirmation message will pop up on the screen asking you to confirm your decision. If you're sure, tap Leave Group again. To verify that you've successfully left the group, simply go back until you return to the list of your groups. Refresh the page by pulling down on the screen. The group you just left should be removed from the list, and that's it. You've now learned how to easily leave a Facebook group. Remember, you can always rejoin a group later if you change your mind. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.